Hello kittens! I am your Mama Cat. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Copycat Digital. This is the very first time I'm sharing you my video here in YouTube so that I can focus and share all the ideas and love with crafting, especially wedding or events invitations. I'm a designer who creates digital invitations for weddings and special events. And here on this channel, I'll show you how easy it is to bring them to life with simple DIY steps. You'll find tutorials on assembling invitations, printing tips, and creative videos or ideas to make your events extra special. I started this journey because I love combining creativity and tradition, especially for special life events or moments like weddings. And now I'm excited to share the love with all of you. If you love DIY projects or you're planning to have a special event, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss any videos or new videos coming from me. Let's create something special and beautiful together. And every video that I will create, you can have your comments or suggestion. I will automatically or gratefully answer the questions as much as I can do. I am so sorry for being so conscious when it comes to talking or saying something about my channel because this is the very first time I'm recording myself in front of a camera and talking in pure English so everyone could understand. So for now, this is it, and thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry for looking at my idiot board while talking because I always forget what I am going to tell. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative tutorials coming from me. Happy crafting and see you in our next video. Bye!